Sureshot's crazy custom Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 has been unveiled at Mooneyes. Sureshot, custom Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 from JapanView full size. The 32nd annual Yokohama Hot Rod Custom Show is underway in Japan. For visitors, it's a visual feast of the best hand-built machines the scene has to offer. For custom bike builders, it's the ultimate proving ground. But the HRCS, or the Mooneyes Show as it's commonly known, isn't just a chance for individual builders and workshops to stretch out. Major OEMs have taken to this and other shows in recent years, showing off their products to a captive audience and proving how customizable their bikes can be. The standards at Mooneyes are very high, so if you're going to come, you'd better come fast. Royal Enfield has the right idea. This year, they approached Sureshot, a regular Mooneyes winner, to deliver a unique Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. Based in Chiba, just east of Tokyo city center, Sureshot is run by Takuya Aikawa. Aikawa-san has a few Mooneyes trophies in his closet, including a Best in Detail nod and multiple Best in Show awards, so Royal Enfield knew the Shotgun 650 was in good hands. If you're not familiar with the Shotgun 650 yet, it's a slightly more aggressively designed version of the brand's Super Meteor 650 Cruiser. Both use the same brilliant 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine as the Royal Enfield Interceptor, but neither would be described as loud. Sureshot's mission was to change that. Takuya calls it a compact performance chopper, but it's really hard to categorize. And that's a testament to how deep he went into this build. For starters, there's very little left of the Shotgun 650 chassis. Takuya cut the front and rear engine mounts and then built an all-new tube chassis around them. The looped rear triangles deliberately mimic the shape of the stock chassis, but they're new too. Up front, you'll find the original Shotgun 650 forks and fork tips, but the forks have been lowered. At the rear, it's a different story, with Takuya fabricating a set of links that connect to a bespoke shock absorber from Racing Brothers, which passes through the seat and connects to the upper link at the rear of the tank. Royal Enfield's striking aluminum wheels were built from scratch. The 21-inch front rim has a large shroud around the hub, hiding the Brembo brake caliper inside. It's wearing Duro HF 301B tires and has an M&H Racemaster drag race slick wrapped around the 16-inch rear hoop. After sorting out the rolling chassis, Takuya dressed up the Shotgun 650 with a handmade aluminum body. An incredibly small tank, nestled inside the frame's caged front section, holds enough fuel to flow down the drag strip. A bulging headlight nacelle and a squat rear fender flank the bike on either side. Up top, custom clip-on bars mount to aluminum clamps in front of the upper yoke and are equipped with a Magura brake control and a driven racing clutch lever. A Casso speedometer sits front and center, while custom foot controls serve further down. The battery is a lithium-ion unit from Skyrich, housed in an aluminum cage beneath the swing-arm pivot. But this Enfield isn't just a show bike. Takuya rebuilt the engine with an 865 cubic centimeters kit from SNS Cycle that includes forged connecting rods and a high-performance camshaft. The velocity stacks feed the intake, while the gases are exhausted through a single-shot exhaust system with an SNS can. Sureshot has a dynamometer on site, so Takuya installed a Dynojet power commander and tuned the Shotgun 650 to run as good as it looks. Before the bike was painted and packaged for Mooneyes, he took it to the 5th round of the JD Star Drag Racing Championship, recording a time of 12.804 seconds. Finished in candy black paint by Rod's Design, with pinstripes by Rio Studio and upholstery by Monobu Yamaguchi Artcraft, Sureshot's custom Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 was finally ready for show.